Here is how to prepare DIY hair mask for growth with garlic and rosemary. Take 5 tablespoons of garlic juice, 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1/2 teaspoon of rosemary oil. Next, combine all the ingredients in a jar and shake it well. Now, massage your scalp with 2 tablespoons of the oil blend. After 15 minutes of massaging, cover the length of your hair in the oil and let it sit for an additional 30 minutes. In the end, wash it off with a mild shampoo. Conditioning is optional since the oil acts as a conditioner. For best results, repeat this remedy 3 times a week. Rosemary oil can aid hair growth, while castor oil increases its luster. While they work together to boost hair growth, the coconut oil deeply penetrates and conditions the hair. On the other hand, garlic is claimed to help purify the hair follicles, strengthen them, and prevents pore clogging to curb hair loss. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.